Today is episode number 1240. Topic title for today, go ahead and write this down, is bounce back. Bounce back, 2 words. And this subject to me is going to be a big one because I think a lot of people, with everything that they're going through in life right now, I had to bounce back before. I had to bounce back from a marriage issue that I had before. I was divorced 13 years ago. I had to bounce back from a business bankruptcy. I had to bounce back from other issues that I had to deal with. So I want to talk about this today because this subject is a phenomenal one. And I really believe that everyone watching this right now has what I believe is called bounce back power. You bend with hard times and then you grow like a palm tree during a hurricane. You bend and then you stand back up. So the storms of life, they're going to come to everybody. Okay. The winds are going to blow, but you're going to bounce back and you're going to keep growing because every single one of us has setbacks. But the key is to develop a bounce back mentality. And so this is going to apply to your trading. It's going to apply to building the business or your job or whatever it is you do. You've got to have bounce back from the losses. When you get knocked down, you don't stay down. You get up to fight another day, because remember, what was meant for your harm is going to be used for your good, because every single setback that you have is temporary. It's not going to last forever. It says weeping may endure for a night, but we know that joy is coming in the morning, right? Despite all the challenges you got, joy is coming in the morning. What is normally a stumbling block in your life is going to become a stepping stone. It happened for me. It's going to happen for you guys as well. So you have to declare good health. You got to declare good trades. You got to declare that you are already a chairman, that you have to declare freedom in advance. I believe that you have to declare victory. And I want to say this, do not accept difficult days the way that it's always going to be, because you may be a little bit kind of bent right now because of the hard winds of life and the stuff that you guys are going through. But the good news is it's not permanent, because what you're going through right now is not something that's always going to be there. Eventually, the sun will rise on your life again. You don't lay down and splat, you bounce. I've had trials and tribulations in my life too. Look, everybody has. Welcome to the club. It's called the University of Life. Every one of us gets whacked, thumped, and jackhammered by life. But what was it that Rocky Balboa said to his son? Remember, he said in life, it's not about how hard you can hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward, how much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. And that's what life is all about. So you will bounce back no matter what has happened the past several weeks, no matter what has happened the past several months, even the past several years. Things are going to start to work in your favor because you have that bounce back mentality. Now, if you believe this, I want you to go inside the chat or the comments on social media right now, type in bounce back. That is you. You are a bounce back person. So guys, I want you to make it a great day, crush it, and we will see you as always on our next episode. Have a good day, everyone, and we'll talk soon.